I'm Jess Copham, and I have a website called makeanddocrew.com. My favorite Lion Brand yarn is probably, if I really had to choose one, jeans, which is a new yarn in the last year, and I've made a lot of things with it that I really love. One of my favorite things that I've made is actually this sweater. This is called the Habitat cardigan, because when I think back to about a year ago, I was really scared of the idea of making a garment, and I'm proud that this is one that I really have been excited to wear, and I really like it, and I'm proud that I made something to wear that I will also wear. One of my favorite things to make is to use flip-flops and poke holes around the sole and then crochet on the top to make boots or shoes or slippers. And they're cozy like sheepskin boots, but they're made out of yarn.